Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. So the past couple days I have been hard at work getting started on a new collection for my shop. I had this stroke of inspiration last week for some new designs that I wanted to create and new products that I want to make, and I had this idea today that I should share the process with you, share the behind the scenes of how I create new designs and how I make my stickers and printables and all my things in my shop. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to bring you along. This is going to be kind of a casual video. It's not going to be a very structured tutorial. It's going to be more vlog style, but I thought that would be really interesting for you guys to watch, to see exactly what goes into making the new products for my shop, and maybe it would be helpful for you if you are interested in doing this sort of thing. So my inspiration for this collection was wildflowers, and it's so simple, but I had this idea last week and I just thought that I could turn it into something really cool. So this is what I've started with, which is some drawings of wildflowers. I actually have a tutorial on my YouTube channel of how to draw wildflowers, and I took those same drawings and I turned them into some new art. And I did that on my iPad using Procreate. So this is my file in Procreate with all of my flower drawings. And I essentially did the same drawing style that I did in that video tutorial, but then I added color, and of course it's all digital, so I didn't do this on paper by hand. I did it in Procreate. I brought the designs onto my computer and started laying them out in a sticker sheet so that I could test print them and see how they looked and kind of how I liked them as stickers. So then this morning I was working on turning those wildflower drawings into other things. So I made these other stickers. They're just going to be circle stickers with the wildflowers in the center. If you're wondering, this is what I'm working on my computer, and this is how I kind of start the design process after I draw the designs in Procreate. I will bring them onto my computer, and this is Adobe Illustrator. It's my favorite program to use. So I'll just bring all the designs in and then just start playing around with laying them out in different designs, doing different things with them. As you can see, here is that sticker sheet that I showed you. So another thing I was working on this morning were some ideas for planning or like bullet journal organization or stickers. This is what I have so far. Like I said, I just started, so I don't really have that much. I'm just kind of playing around with a few ideas that I had. So my idea with these is that they would be a sticker that you stick on your bullet journal page at the beginning of a month, and then this little tab hangs off, so you would close your bullet journal and easily be able to flip to that month. And then I did the same thing. I'm playing around with these little tabs that don't have the calendar. They're just some tags or tabs that hang off the page. And I think I actually like these better. I feel like these calendars are too big and kind of a waste of sticker paper to have them that large. So I don't know. We'll see. I do like the calendar idea, but I don't know if I want to do it in this way. Hi guys, so it's the next day. Sorry for the glare on my glasses, but I am currently in my office. If you guys didn't know, I have a new office space to work in that I'm sharing with a couple other people here in Seattle. But it's just nice to have a space to go outside of my apartment, because when you work from home and you stay in your house all day long, especially my apartment, it's really tiny. I get really restless and I'm not as productive as I could be. Anyways, so yeah, I have a new office, but I'm back to work today trying to finish the new collection of things for my shop. So let me show you what I'm doing. So as I showed you yesterday, I have this wildflower sheet finished, sticker sheet, but I want to do another sticker sheet to go with it of some other designs. So I have these here, but I'm working on some more just to add more to it because that's not that much. So I've been drawing in Procreate again, so I did this vase of flowers and I did this red I guess, poppy flower. I'm also working on some sort of planner set. I don't know exactly yet. I've been just kind of playing around with different layouts. I'm making like a weekly planner sheet. It's going to be a printable. I also quickly designed this little promo for Instagram that just is kind of like a sneak peek of what's to come, and I announced that the wildflower collection will be here on Saturday. I think I'm going to replace these small pink flowers with this red one. I just need to make it a bit smaller, but I feel like this sheet just needs more red. It has enough pink on it. So I have been working on this second sticker sheet. Also, I added that poppy to this sheet. This sheet is nearly done. I just feel like it's missing something. Obviously, I need to do another design to add here, but I need to keep working on that this afternoon. But other than that, these designs are nearly done. I test printed these at home. It's not sticker paper, it's just regular computer paper, but this gives me an idea of what they look like. So this is the wildflower sheet, and I'm really loving this red mixed in. And then here's the other sticker sheet to go in this collection. Hi guys, it's another new day and I am back at work. So it is Thursday and I am working from home today. I'm actually at my dining table right now just to switch things up from my desk. But I'm trying to get everything finished. So I wanted to have it all finished yesterday, all the designs that I was working on, but I did not obviously finish everything. But I'm still on track to get it all done by Saturday when I want to launch everything. But let me show you what I have done since I last updated you. So I've pretty much finished the set of printable planning sheets that I was working on, and I like how these turned out. So I used the wildflower designs but just did the flower outlines, and then I did a planner sheet for a weekly planner, a monthly planner, and then a daily planner. These are what they look like in real life, and I'm really happy with them. I'm excited to personally start using them, and then I hope that you guys enjoy them too or find them useful. I also made a grayscale version because I know not everyone has a color printer, so this grayscale version is the exact same thing, just obviously gray and black tones. And then I designed one more printable thing yesterday, which was this wildflower print. I did two different versions. I haven't decided which one is going to be the final, but I'm kind of leaning towards this one. But I designed this to be potentially like a little coloring sheet for you guys, or it could just be a black and white print, whatever you guys want. So I think that would be really fun to have something like this that you guys can print out and color yourself and use as art in your room or your office or whatever. Okay, it's another new day and it's Friday, which means I only have today left to work on this because the new collection is launching tomorrow. But today I need to get all the stickers printed and I need to cut them, and I need to photograph all of the new products for my shop so I can make the listings on my website and I can post photos of all the new things and all of that. So it's gonna be a busy day, but this is the fun part. So, well, it's all fun, but I really enjoy the photography part of this. So I'm gonna get started. So I finished the little freebie sticker sheet and I was just testing which layout I like better, and I think I like this one better. They're very similar, just a slightly different positioning, but this is the new freebie, so I need to make that into stickers. And then that was just another test print. I don't know if I showed you guys the test print when I finished this new, or the new designs that I added to this sticker sheet, so I really like how this turned out. I love that little bouquet of flowers. So I've been testing out my circle sticker designs. I had originally designed this earlier this week, and I thought that I wanted the circle stickers to be a smaller sticker sheet than my usual 4x6 size, but now that I think of it, I kind of just want to keep everything consistent and have it all be the same size. So then I tried out these large circle stickers, but I felt like they were too big and not as useful. So I think I've settled on this size and have these little small circles that are about 1 inch wide, and it comes with 12, and it's my usual 4x6 size, and I'm pretty happy with this. I think these are really cute and they'll be really useful. So I think I've finished the wildflower sticker collection. It's going to be these 3 sheets, and I really love how this one turned out. And finally, I just test printed the last little sticker sheet, which is this new freebie, and this goes in every order that I mail out. Now I'm going to do a quick little spread in my bullet journal, just testing out all of these stickers. That way I can photograph it and show you guys an example of how to use them. I just finished this bullet journal spread, and I love these stickers so much. This is my first time really using them and trying them out, and I just think they look so pretty, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So now that I have that finished, I need to start shooting the photographs that are going to be on the website and that I'm going to post on Instagram.